Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to help you fix your iPhone if your Face ID is not working. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you're trying to unlock your phone and you keep holding it up to your phone and it says the Face ID is not recognized, your face is not recognized, or you're trying to set up Face ID and it's just not working, there are a bunch of different ways that we can get that Face ID working again. And you can, unlock your phone, download apps and all that stuff. Now, the very first thing and the most common culprit that I find is that there's an issue with the physical sensors on your iPhone related to measuring and mapping out your face. Now, the sensors are at the very top, right next to the earphone and the camera up here. You can't see those actual sensors that it uses because it kind of uses infrared sensors to be able to map out your face. But what we'll do is, if you have a screen protector on, if you have a case or something like that, make sure you remove the case, remove the screen protector, and give a good clean to that area, basically this top black area around the speaker and the camera up there. So make sure you clean that so that the sensors work well, and that fixes most of the issues, believe it or not. Now, if that still doesn't fix your Face ID, let's go into settings here and then scroll down until we find Face ID and passcode, and we'll tap on that and we'll just type in the passcode real quick, and you can see Face ID is turned on. Now, there are a bunch of different things that you can do to help get it to work better. Potentially, you can say set up an alternate appearance and then go through this process and say get started. You can move your head around so that it captures your full face. However, if that still doesn't work, you can go down and do two different things. You can say reset Face ID at the very top here, and that will remove your old Face ID and give you a new Face ID to be able to map out. And maybe that new one will just be a better version and work better. And then if you scroll down to the very bottom here, you can say erase data and make sure that's turned off. The reason for that is because if that's turned on and you keep trying the Face ID and it keeps, you're trying your password and everything and it keeps messing up and not working, you don't want it to completely erase your iPhone so that your iPhone is not working. So if those two don't work, the next thing that we can do is get out of here and then go into General and then go to Software Update. And we'll want to make sure our iPhone is updated to the latest version, because the iPhone constantly comes out with new features and updates and upgrades that Face ID. So you want to make sure that that's on the latest software version. Once you've done that, the last thing that you can do is you can just tap the power button and the volume up button and hold those and then slide to power off. So we'll just restart our phone at that point, and that should just kind of refresh everything. Then you can go back into that Face ID and try to set it up again to use that and make sure everything is kind of clean around, the camera and the microphone at the top of your phone. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.